We have an excellent guest for you on this episode. I'm really looking forward to introducing her to you. But before we do that, we have something a little bit different on this episode. We have the very exciting draw for our super prize, very kindly donated to us by our guest in our last episode, Gary Bannister, and his publishing house, New Island Books, who have provided us with a shiny, brand new copy of Gary's extraordinary Teasáras Gaeilge-Béarla, the Irish-English thesaurus. Now, many of you are going to be listening to this in audio only. We're also recording this on video, and we're going to share a clip of the video of us doing the draw here on the show so that everybody can see that everything was done correctly. Okay, now hopefully you can see my screen, and we've got our Wheel of Fortune here in front of us. And I have actually asked somebody who knows far more about social media than I to go and make sure that they've pulled out all of the names of everybody who correctly followed the instructions to enter their names in the draw. And all of those names now have been extracted from our social media accounts and put into this wheelofnames.com picker. And I'm going to spin the wheel now, and we're going to get our, I'm going to find out who our lucky winner is. So let's see who that is. Yay! And the winner is Nigul Siobhan. Well, congratulations, Siobhan. We're going to be in touch with you just as soon as we can after the show with the to get your contact details so we can get your fantastic copy of Teasáras Gaeilge-Béarla to you. So congratulations again, Siobhan, and thank you to everybody who took the time to enter in our draw. That's not the only opportunity you're going to have to get a copy of the thesaurus on a very special basis, but we also have a very special offer for listeners to the show. You can get a 20% discount on the Teasáras Gaeilge-Béarla by putting in a code that'll be exclusive to listeners here on this show. I'm going to get that code for you. Unfortunately, I don't have it here now as I'm recording this session, but we will get it for you from New Island Books, and we'll be sharing that for a limited period where you'll be able to use a code we'll give you here on the show, and you can get a 20% discount on the Teasáras Gaeilge-Béarla.